Hey,
Hey guys.
we're in the back side of the Archaeological Museum here in Centro. If you may recall seeing this thing right here, let me scroll up to it. It was donated to the museum back in 2018, and it used to be right in the middle of it, but they ended up taking it out like maybe a couple years ago,
Yeah.
probably. And they put it out on the back side of the museum, and then about a year ago,
Years ago when they started remodeling.
yeah, I think it's been. I
Whatever
think it
you
was like a
call it.
year, but they did a huge remodel, and we haven't been inside the museum since like 2018. We thought it's a good opportunity to check it out. They just opened the museum back up maybe 2 months ago. This building was built in like 1947, which probably makes it one of the older buildings in Centro, and it was turned into a museum in 1993. So we're gonna take a look right now. Let's go. They have 6 rooms to explore. The nice thing is that each of these rooms is air conditioned. So on a hot day, this is a nice break from the heat. So these are all artifacts found from the Costa Grande region, which runs essentially from Acapulco up into the Michoacan state. These are all artifacts from 900 to 1200 AD. And then over here you can see parts of the Chihuacan site, which is about 30 to 40 minutes from here. And on the other side of me, the city of Chihuacan. The other side of me, this is part of the ball field that was that you can see also in Chihuacan. This is an idea of what the ball field would look like. And again, you can see a part of this at the Chihuacan site out near Petitlan. Part of someone who lived in that Chihuacan area in Petitlan about 1,000 years ago. This is the 4th room. I believe this cannon was found about 75 years ago, and it's from the 1700s. And this room is mostly dedicated to the Spanish galleons that crossed the seas from the Philippines to Mexico between the 1560s up into the early 1800s. So this gives a little bit of the history on George Anson, who was part of the British Royal Navy, and he ended up capturing several ships in Chile, ended up in Zihuatanejo Bay in 1742, and destroyed the ships that he caught, and they ended up at the bottom of the bay. So that's where this cannon is from right here. We're in the 5th room now, and this is dedicated to the comida, the food of the region, and it has a very, distinct, unmistakable, and specific taste to it. So this is very interesting. And we're in the 6th room. And this one's dedicated to more of the cultural heritage of the Costa Grande, which includes the fish and the corn and the tobacco and the salt that's found in the region, and also what they call the fisherman's dance, which originated here in the Costa Grande area. There you have it, Archaeological Museum right here in Centro on Playa Principal. What else do people need to know if they want to visit?
It's open Tuesday to Saturday from 10 to 6, and it's 15 pesos a person.
Yeah, check it out. 15 pesos, can't beat it. Just for the air conditioning, right? Okay, thanks guys. Take care.
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego.